This is our fiction section. We have 8 bookcases of fiction books, okay? And they're in order, they're organized by author. All right, so we have our A authors here to B authors, and we kind of snake around. So then down here we have C, the E, and then the F and the G's come here. And then around here we have the H, I's, and J's, and the K's, L's, and M's. And over here we go down to the N, O, P's, Q's, R's, S's, got a lot of S's. And then the rest of the alphabet is down this aisle, okay? If you look at the call number of a book, okay, again, you know the first line, the call number, it tells us the address of the book. So any book that starts with an FIC on the call number is a fiction book. And then the second line is the first 3 letters of the author's last name. This book was written by Meg Cabot. The title is Party Princess. So Cabot, C-A-B, it's up here is the second line of the call number. Okay? And the nice thing is when you're looking for books, on the end caps of the bookcases, you will see the range, the letter ranges of the books found on each one. All right, so we have the C-A-B to D-A-V here. And then don't forget, we got the second row back here. People always wonder. Okay, now we got the D-E-A to D-Y-E. And the next one here would be the E-A-G to F-U-S. And then the G-A-B to H-A-Y. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, so books in the fiction section. And remember, fiction is made-up stories, okay? In the author's imagination and written down. All right, here's our Diary of a Wimpy Kid books down there. The nice thing about shelving the fiction books by authors, we're able to get them all together by author. So here, if you really like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, you notice that we have all of them on this whole shelf here, okay? Because they all have a call number of F-I-C-K-I-N, all right? Jeff Kinney wrote them all, so we put them all together. Some people are always asking about fiction genres like mystery or historical fiction or fantasy. Well, I have some bulletin boards at the back here of the fiction section where you'll see I have a mystery bulletin board, and these little pieces of paper talk about different mystery books that are found in this section. All right, so if you really like, oh, here's a good one, Enola Holmes Mysteries. Maybe it's something you haven't read. They're really good. Notice the call numbers on here, so you'll be able to locate them that way. So if you're looking for a good mystery, or historical fiction book or fantasy book, I do highly recommend that you look at these bulletin boards for some suggestions on what to find in our fiction section in those genres. All right, that's our fiction section.